So I want to share a clip with you from an old, well, actually a young Frank Kern video. And I think about this clip every time I run into struggles with my business. Because, spoiler alert, you're going to run into challenges even after you achieve massive success. So you may as well learn how to embrace the challenges as a journey, as getting closer to the ultimate success that you're searching for. I'm gonna play that clip for you right now.
Cannot believe it, but yes, this is Dr. Frank Kern.
Attorney at law.
Attorney at law.
Yes.
That I'm currently sat next to in a bar, drinking tonic. Is that tonic?
Yes. Yes, ma'am, it is.
So, Dr. Kern, please tell our very lucky audience what got you started in the internet marketing business. What was it that really inspired you to get going?
I was working at the time, and I determined that it was more fun to sit around drinking vodka tonic than it was to go to work every day. So I set about to devise a system to avoid daily work and therefore have more free time. So really, it was just one move towards more time freedom than anything else, you know.
Fantastic. And what would you say is your secret to success?
Well, that was where the difficulty came in. I determined through careful and protracted experimentation that being able to sit around and drink vodka tonic all day actually took a considerable amount of work. So the secret to the success I've had, I would say, has been just really going back to work after repeated, constant failure, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, just working basically, not screwing around. That was the secret to the success. Because usually when we're in direct response, and more times than often we're wrong than we are right, you know. I mean, take the conversion rate, for example. You get 2 people out of 100 buy, it's pretty good. That means you're wrong 98% of the time. So that whole stick-to-itiveness, if that's a word, it sounds good. And just hard work, you know.
How do you cope with rejection?
Well, it's easy online. You don't see anyone. That's the appeal. You know, you write a letter, you never see them if they don't enjoy your sales copy or whatever. So that's the great thing about salesmanship in print. You don't really experience. You know, now you experience a campaign not working or whatever, and that's a shame. But it's really just a test result. So you have to understand that everything's so temporary. If one ad campaign doesn't work or whatever, it doesn't mean that the whole concept won't work or that nothing will ever work again. You know, it's just a test that gave a result. In that case, the result was a lack of conversions or whatever. So there's nothing to it, you know.
So as you can see, it's all really just one big test in this game. But the good news is you only have to be right once to change your day, change your week, change your month, and change your life, really. But the problem is when you're trying to learn something new like affiliate marketing or how to make money online, you don't know anything yet. So in this situation, there's literally an infinite number of possible tests that can ultimately lead to failure. So the key is this: if you're wondering why successful affiliate marketers, digital marketers, what have you, can usually repeat success, it's because they've actually been able to reduce the number of situations that will lead to potential failure down to just a select few. That's not to say they won't run into failures from time to time, but what it means is it dramatically reduces the amount of time and the amount of tests that they need to invest in order to hit the home run. And that's why you buy a course, because a good course will contain a limited number of scenarios that will ultimately lead to success. So if you can reduce your chances of potential failure down from infinity to a reasonable few that will allow you to actually find success before you ultimately get frustrated and throw in the towel forever, then you will be successful. Now, luckily, I'm a multiple 6-figure per year affiliate marketer, and I actually have a 100% free affiliate marketing course for you. If you want to get access to this 100% free affiliate marketing course, just go ahead and find the link that's somewhere around this video, or simply head over to the 90minuteaffiliatechallenge.com to get started. But the important thing here is not to go opt into the course and get it for free. The important thing here is to go in, opt into the course, go through the material, and get started testing.